The FBI needs your help, detective. We have been trying to unmask Mr. X for years, but unfortunately, our team have not had the skills needed to capture Mr. X. We were informed that you, Algebra, have the necessary skills to finally reveal who Mr. X is, and consequently put him behind bars where he belongs. We need you to not only reveal and arrest Mr. X, but we need you to record how you do it, step by step, so we can train the rest of our team. Mr. X is elusive and dangerous. He is well protected, sometimes by one but often more than one bodyguard. Will you accept this mission? Al, be careful, you are on your own.
I have been staking this place out for days, and there he is. Mr. X, but like expected, he is protected by his bodyguard. I have to eliminate the bodyguard to be able to capture Mr. X. This bodyguard is armed with a +12. The only way to eliminate him is to apply the opposite operation. If he is a +12, then I will have to -12, but it is important I do this to both sides. Let's get this right. Mr. X now has no protection, and he has been unmasked. We got him.
You got me, cuff me.
Well done, Al. We knew you could do it. Your job is not done, however. There are many other Mr. X's that need to be revealed to us. Each one is more protected by the other, therefore it will be more challenging as we go forward. Good luck, Al.
Chief was right. Here is another Mr. X, but this time we have 2 bodyguards to eliminate. ×3 is right next to Mr. X inside the hideout, and the other, -18, is outside, roaming the grounds. Which will I eliminate first, so as not to put myself in danger? I need to eliminate the -18 first, because if I try to directly aim for the inside guard, I am the one that will be eliminated before I could make it to the front door. So to eliminate -18, I will add 18, but I must do it to both sides. Okay, here goes. Great. Now for the ×3, the only way to eliminate him is to do the opposite, divide by 3 to both sides. Got him. My job is done.
You got me, cuff me.
Al, you are no longer a rookie. You are now our lead detective. We have one final challenge for you. The impenetrable hideout of the Dons of all Mr. X's has been discovered. We know that he is protected by the 3 of the most dangerous hoods in this city. We know you can complete this final mission. Stay safe, Al.
This has suddenly become real. I have to accomplish this mission to prove I am worthy of the promotion to lead detective. Let me finish my donut and have a think about how I can tackle this. We have a double-story house with Mr. X on the top story with an armed bodyguard right next to him. We also have to deal with the bodyguard on the ground floor protecting the staircase leading to upstairs. And if that wasn't enough, there is a guard protecting the house outside. If I don't get this in the right order, I am the one that will suffer the consequences. There is only one way to get out of this, and to unveil Mr. X, I have to eliminate the outside guard first in order to get near the house. He is armed with a +5. So if I shoot with a -5, he will be eliminated. I must remember to do this to both sides if I want to keep my dinner date tonight, or any night in fact. Next, the hood downstairs has to go. He is armed with a divide 3, so keeping with the reversal technique, I will have to times 3 to both sides. One more to go, and the most dangerous. He is attached to Mr. X with a ×5. I think I will leave it to you now. Armed with a divide 5, let's get him. You got it. Congratulations, partner. I couldn't have done it without you.
You got me, cuff me.
Excellent work, Al. Thanks to you and your technique, we can now send our rookies out to continue your good work. I am sure that Mr. X will be upgrading his security, trying to stay incognito, but we will be ready for him. Good night and enjoy your dinner.